If you have a vehicle that uses this style of button on your steering wheel from a Ford Motor Company product, you might have buttons that look kind of grungy, look really nasty, and you can get them to look like this. All it requires: isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber, because you don't want something that generates lint. Put a little isopropyl alcohol on and literally just begin scrubbing the buttons. And all the finger goo and chips, makeup, and whatever else has made its way to the button that sticks to it will come right off. If you're worried about engaging any function, just make sure you don't have the car running at the time. You can also go through and touch up certain spots where there's maybe makeup there. But anyways, you can go through and pretty much just get anything you want right off of it. And excluding the perimeter, if you look at it now, just dry that off real quickly. You kind of want it to air dry. You don't want to rub on this dry. You'll note now, those look pretty good. It's just the perimeter that has the edge, or the perimeter has the edge. The edge of the button has kind of the nastiness, and that one is where maybe you need a special tool or something to help take some of that out. But at least now that looks a lot more presentable than that. Ugh.